Hello, hi. Today I'm going to introduce you hair food tea tree and lavender water shampoo, and this is hair food coconut milk and chai spice conditioner. This made with argan oil with the mineral water. These are very good shampoo and conditioner. After you use this shampoo and conditioner, it will stop damage your hair. Whenever you see your hair is breaking, so you can use this shampoo and conditioner. It will stop damaging your hair. This is like hair food. This made with argan oil and avocado. This is the ingredient they made with this shampoo and conditioner. If you like this shampoo and conditioner, I will put the link below so you can order. Whoever think their hair needs support, so this is one of them good shampoo and conditioner. You can try for yourself, and please let me know comment box below how you like it, how it works on your hair. Thank you so much.